If you or a loved one has been involved in a car accident and has likely suffered serious or critical injuries, you have come to the right place. We understand the challenges you may be facing, such as medical bills, lost wages, and vehicle repair or replacement. You may be wondering if you have the option to file a lawsuit and seek financial compensation. At Anidjar Levine, we operate on a contingency basis, which means we only get paid if you do. There are no upfront costs when you hire our firm, and you can rest assured that our team of professionals will handle your legal matter while you focus on recovering from your injuries. We treat each client with the utmost care, as if they were a cherished family member, a tradition we have maintained for nearly 2 decades. To discuss your case, please contact us at the number provided above or fill out the form on this page. One of our attorneys will promptly reach out to you to gather more information. Call us now toll-free at 1-800-747-3733